people might not see it right now, but I'm gaining experience with every project that I'm doing here. Kahit na sabihin mo na dito sa Pilipinas yan, experience pa rin yan, real pa rin yan, na madadala ko sa mga gusto ko i-pursue in the future. So, hopefully, after kung, parang, I'll focus on this first. I still feel like there are a few more things that I would like to do, and there's a few more things that I'd like to try here. But, hindi ko pa naman nakakalimutan that other big dream I have.
International.
Yeah.
Alright.
So Pia, like, if you will be given a choice, ano yung international role na gusto mong maging first movie mo?
Hindi pa rin nawawala yung Bond Girl. Nakabantay nga ako dun eh. Nakabantay ako sa Bond Girl. Kasi alam ko may lalabas ng bago. And they're really trying to experiment already with the cast. So it means that it's gonna be really different this time. And even sila Esther, Miss Universe, IMG, they all know that I really want something like that. If not that, something like that. So we'll see. Hopefully, like, we'll see what we can do. Maybe for now we can work on. Busy kasi ako dito, dapat nandun ako so that I get stuff there. But, like, so, for example, we'll start first with music videos. Alam mo yun, leading ladies sa music video, and then we'll slowly work our way up. But, it's still there. It's still at the back of my mind. I just can't jump into it without being prepared.
So you have given your intent do sa mga directors or sa movie outfit that you want to be one of the Bond girls, auditions or
saan po?
Sa Bond?
Sa US?
Oo.
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi pa.
Yeah.
P, meron ka lang international agent?
IMG po.
IMG.
I'm with, Miss Universe is with IMG, but right now I'm signed with Miss IMG Universe as a Miss Universe ambassador, but ina-assign pa rin nila ako sa mga mag-meeting dito, mag-meeting doon. So far, ganun muna. Ang nangyari nga, actually, usually ngayon, puro Miss Universe na mga events yung ina-attend ko pag nasa US or nasa ibang bansa, lahat palaging related sa Miss Universe. Tinatry namin na iba naman na more celebrity, more artista. But the thing is, sabi din nila, it will take a while before people forget that you're a Miss Universe because you kind of have to repackage yourself in order to be a new celebrity. I can't walk around there.
Longest running Miss Universe ka nga eh.
Ha?
Longest running.
Yun na nga, pero especially with how the crowning went also, medyo mahirap kalimutan ng mga taga-US na I was that girl. The thing is, to repackage myself, I have to forget that I was a Miss Universe. Weird, di ba? Dito, it works in my favor. Doon hindi. Doon hindi. So, we're still trying to get that balance. It will take time, but hopefully we'll get there.
And then you're good?